Hey everybody, happy holidays. It's TheeLocTwins and we are back with some bangers for y'all right now. So right now our beautiful client is rocking some beautiful butterfly locks and y'all won't even believe the new method we came up with, okay? This is a tension-free method, meaning what? These are not our hand wrap locks in particular, okay? So from previous videos, you know, we hand wrap from top to bottom. This method, I think we are going to extremely, I'm not going to lie, love. It is tension free. I have the locks in my head. As you can see, I am parting her hair, but towards the end, you kind of see me pop in. But anyway, let's go ahead and just get started. So I don't know if y'all know the tea, but I'm definitely going to tell y'all all the juicy details. So let's start with the basics. Janet Collection dropped these locks called DSoleil Butterfly Locs, right? They sell them in 18 inches. They're doing an asymmetrical set that they're selling. They sell them in 24 inches. They're coming in burgundy, two-tone ombre, black, brown, 27. Like, y'all, they are not playing right now. So I'm going to tell you the juicy news, right? Here in Atlanta, y'all know we relocated to Virginia, but we're in Atlanta right now doing hair for our day one clients. So here in Atlanta, these packs of locks are going for $11.99 in some of our favorite hair stores, right? They're giving you, this is all the juicy tea you hearing right here. They're giving you 10 locks per package, okay? How many locks are y'all using, Loc Twins? Well, they gave me 10 in a pack. And we used, friend, how many we used on Lauren? We used 5 packs on Lauren. Hey, Lauren, if you're watching, girl. But we used 5 packs on our client, okay? So we parted her hair free parts, meaning there is no particular way to part this because you want it to feel free. When I tell y'all these locks are freaking beautiful, dog. They are beautiful. They giving you that old Creed, Philly, up north. You know, it's just giving poetry, life, earthiness, the whole shebang, girl. I am in love with these locks. My sister is in love with these locks. So y'all are going to see a couple of videos on these locks because literally we want to kind of lean towards doing more styles that don't require us to wrap so much. Not because we lost our juice or anything. If y'all want to see more wrapping videos, y'all know what y'all know where it's at. But it's important that we start trying to figure out locks that don't require us to pull so hard on the hair shaft. Early signs of alopecia are very, very real. You don't want to do anything to cause harm, especially in protective styles. So we're definitely expanding our business and trying to figure out how we can find more services to add that are tension-free. These Janet Collection DSoleil locks are the shit, girl. You need to get your hands on some. And this is not a sponsored video, although Janet Collection... Hey y'all, if y'all watching, little shameless promo, okay? But yeah, y'all, so right now we are just free parting her hair right now. And so we're gonna give you a lot of different angles and clips, and then we're gonna give you all the juicy tea. All right. So y'all know we never do anything by the book. Honestly, these can be put in a crochet method where you just honestly do individuals around the perimeter and then braid the middle and, you know, just crochet them in. But y'all know we love individual locks, period. And they just look way more natural, way more realistic, and way more earthy. So you pull the lock through the base, pull the braid through by itself, and then go up the shaft piece by piece, very small pieces. You see she came out and had to go back up because you want them to be so close to the base that you kind of don't even notice the braid, all right? And we're gonna just go through and then pull the braid down piece by piece. Now, most stylists are probably gonna stop here, but y'all know we always have to put our own twist on things because we just, like my hair, I'll do a video. If y'all wanted to see my hair where we did not wrap my hair, like this video, share this video, comment, say, girl, we want to see your hair. Like, sis, we want to see your hair. Give us the details. We want to see your hair, Loc Twins. We want to see your hair. But we just weren't satisfied with just the lock and pulling the braid down the shaft of the lock. I don't know. I mean, sometimes it was invisible and you didn't see the braid. And then other times it was like, I'm just not satisfied. So, of course, we went ahead and we wrapped her locks with actual wrapping hair to give more of a unique butterfly distressed look, if you understand what we're saying. If you don't understand and you're new, hey, welcome. We're the Loc Twins. We were originally based in Atlanta, Georgia. We're now based in Newport News, Virginia. We have a lot of great things going on with our business right now. But yeah. So please go down through our YouTube videos. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoy a couple of videos, any type of knowledge or anything, any gems. Feel free to scroll through, girl. But if you're not new, hey, hun, what's going on? Happy holidays. I hope y'all are really safe. Friend, feel free to jump in here too, because y'all, I'm chatty today. Okay, but it's really like 4 a.m. and we're trying to get this video out for y'all, period. But anyway, let me get back to the point. So, yeah, so we're just going to pull them through piece by piece, and we're just going to keep going all the way down the shaft. So tonight, our hair of choice was, of course, the Freetress Water Wave. We have another video coming with a different water wave hair, but I'll save the juicy details for that video. But of course, we went in with the Freetress Water Wave, and we're just going to do our normal butterfly method that we normally do. And if you want to, again, see hand wrap locks by us, please go through the videos. But other than that, yeah, enjoy the video, y'all. But I am loving how this looked when we wrapped over top of it, because we had a chance to kind of like, you know, not only hide the braid if there were any peaky areas, like on the blonde, the 613, there were some peaky areas where you could kind of see the braid. So that was going to bother us off rip. And just to also kind of add a little bit more fullness, a little bit more juiciness to the lock as well. We didn't secure this with any glue. It just wasn't necessary. And if you want to, you can add one piece of water wave, or you can add two. It depends on how big and juicy and realistic you want them to look. But I really, really love them. A con, you will see when you work with these locks, and we'll have an actual demonstration video. The locks are very, very hard to open up the knot. There's a loop in the top of the lock. You literally have to figure out, pull on each side of that loop. You'll see it in the next video. But pull on each side of the loop, and you have to figure out which side of the loop is going to let you pull more so that you can make the hole bigger. That's really the only con with that. At first, it was really, really irritating because you're trying to pull and open up that lock at the roots. There's a loop on it. And it's really tough. But once you get it open, you have to honestly take your time. If you're going to do the method where you pull the braid and the lock through, which is what I was doing. Tay was only doing the braid. I do the braid and the lock. Honestly, it doesn't make a difference. But I noticed that it was making the lock like drag. And you don't want to do that. So yeah, this was a quick tutorial. We really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Of course, if you want to see a more detailed video, my sister did my hair. So y'all know we're going to have that coming for y'all. But we just trying to bust this out for y'all because this style is so beautiful. It's tension free. It's a perfect protective style. And it was easy. I won't say it was quick. It still took us a few hours because, again, they're individual faux locks, okay? So don't ever think they're going to be quick because they're crochet, because you still want to put in a major amount of effort. So right here, you'll just see us, you know, doing our finishing touches and kind of just wrapping up. We didn't record the whole finishing touching process because y'all have seen us do that 1,000 times. But naturally, we just go back through, see if we see any peaky areas, rewrap those. We didn't have to wrap the roots too tight because, like I said, in my hair, I didn't even wrap them. And these things are beautiful. They are so freaking lightweight as well. They're not like our hand wrap locks where, because we use so much hair, if you put it in a top bun to get in the shower, it's really freaking heavy. I'm not going to lie. These are so lightweight. It's like sometimes you don't even feel like they're there. They're beautiful. So I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all try this style, tag us. Let us know, what do y'all think? Do y'all like them better without them being wrapped over them? Or do you like them just the regular locks themselves? Do you like the method that we chose to use? Just talk to us. Let us know. But in the meantime, y'all know we here at the TheeLocTwins appreciate y'all. We love y'all and all the feedback and support. Y'all be sharing us. Y'all be following us on our hair page. You know, it just doesn't go unappreciated, okay? So happy holidays to y'all. Y'all, 2021 is around the corner. Bigger bags, bigger money, bigger energy, big motivation, big everything, okay? We ain't switching ourselves for nobody. But we shall see y'all in the next video. Y'all, so we were waiting on our client to come back, and I just so happened to sit down and I caught this little clip. Well, Taylor caught it actually. But yes, so these are mine in jet black. I got a video coming for y'all. See y'all soon.